welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing an unboxing video. So make sure that you stop what you're doing, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with all your friends, and just keep watching to see what I'm about to do. Okay, you guys, so today I am unboxing my iPad Pro. My iPad Pro, honey. Let me get y'all to see. So yes, I'm unboxing my iPad Pro 11. This is my iPad Pro 11 generation 2. Well, second generation. This is Wi-Fi plus cellular. So this is what we're about to do. So we're about to get ready to unbox this. So let's get started. Oh, and by the way, this is like an upgrade for this is an upgrade from my previous iPad. So I have had this iPad for the longest, for about maybe five years now, and it's been time for upgrade. This is a really old iPad, and it's just you know when it's just time to upgrade. So here it is. I work hard. I am currently graduated from what's it called? What I just graduated? I'm currently graduated out of my master's program, so I deserved another gift. So I bought 2 gifts for myself. So if you all don't know, I have just recently graduated from my master's program. I'm from Arkansas State, and I also got myself a 2018 Jeep Wrangler. That was one of my graduation gifts that I got for myself, and the second graduation gift that I got is my iPad. So I'm currently unboxing this, and it's 256 gigabytes. So this is just what the box looks like. We're gonna open it up. Let me make sure my number not showing on the side. So we're gonna open it up. Okay, ooh. So here's the grand reveal. Ta-da! Okay, so we got this iPad. Oh Lord, everything is falling up the box. Okay, so let me just sit that right here. Obviously, if you have an iPhone or anything Apple product, you know that it's gonna automatically come with the charger. Look at that. It's gonna come with the charger and the little plug that goes to it. I really love these chargers because they charge so freaking fast. So I don't have a problem with that. Of course, it's gonna come with the instructions and everything. So here we go. We're gonna take the plastic off. And y'all, I got silver. I didn't bother by telling y'all the color, but I got silver because personally, I don't really like the dark gray, and all that they had was the silver. So I just got the silver. So this is the back, and this is the front. So the back is the same as my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is what it looks like on the back. It's similar. So we're gonna turn it on, and let's see. Hopefully it don't have to be charged. Oh, here go the logo, y'all. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for it to come on, and I'm probably about to get ready to set it up and everything. So y'all just bear with me, y'all. Excuse me for looking at my camera because it's actually about to die, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this video out of the way. But look what it says. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. Let's go on and get this situated and set up.
Whoever thought a guy would want a girl like me? Whoever thought that I would fall so easily? Whoever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay.
Takes a few minutes to activate our heads. Y'all, I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. So I'll come back when I get everything set up. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I had to not only set up my iPad, I had to also figure out a whole bunch of stuff. My camera ended up dying, so I had to let it charge a little bit. So yeah. So anyways, I finally got my iPad set up, and here's my wallpaper for the lock screen. And I'm gonna unlock it. I'm on TikTok. And I just got, you know, I got all my apps and everything set up. You can see all of this kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm still learning how to use this iPad, but I do want to do a comparison. So it is this big compared to my first iPad. So I'll put them side by side. It is a slight bit bigger. Oh Lord, wait, let me make sure I drop it. So it is a slight, the iPad 11 Pro is slightly bigger than this one. And it has the little square edges instead of the round edges, in which I like because it's kind of easier to grip, you know, without having to. These are easy to fall out your hand, so this gives it a bit more grip. You know, it feels more like a tablet almost. So it's just the first day. I'm gonna probably update after I use it for maybe a day or a couple of days, see how I like it. I have ordered a case for it and a screen protector so that, you know, I can keep it uncracked for as long as I can, because I can't have no scratch ups. Like, I don't want no scratches. I don't want it to be cracked. I just, you know, me personally, that looks tacky to me. I don't even like my phone being cracked. So I'm gonna get a case for it. I'm gonna order a case for it. And yeah, so I just wanted to do this unboxing of my iPad 11 Pro Max. My iPad 11 Pro. And I'll just give you all an update, you know, whenever. And yeah, so just stay tuned.